Procedure for replacing the hydraulic oil and cleaning the power unit. When this message appears on the control panel, you must follow the procedure described below. The operations described must be carried out exclusively by qualified personnel or specialist maintenance technicians. In the event of oil spills and slippery surfaces around the machine, wipe them dry immediately before proceeding. Personnel required: 2 operators. Wear PPE, work gloves, and secure the work area. Organize the work area to prevent any oil spills from making the surfaces around the machine slippery. We recommend placing a protective sheet under the press and laying out absorbent material, industrial cloths or sawdust, to contain any oil spills. 1. Securing the press. Close the press plates using the 2-hand controls on the control panel, setting a pressure of at least 50 bar. Engage the specified safety devices to prevent the moving table from accidentally dropping. 2. Procedure for manually lowering the cylinders. Important: before lowering the cylinders manually, wipe any oil residue from the rods using clean, dry cloths. This operation requires a second operator to activate the hydraulic valve by holding down either the floor opening control on the panel or the emergency release on the solenoid. Three. Removal and draining of the control unit. Switch off the press and disconnect it from the main supply. Temporarily disconnect the control unit's electrical connections. Disconnect the control unit's connection hose. Turn the connecting hose and, if necessary, remove it. Use the drain plug provided to drain the oil. Loosen the plug without removing it completely, always keeping a firm grip with one hand. The oil will begin to flow into the container. When the collection container is full, temporarily reseal the plug, replace the container, and continue draining. Once draining is complete, remove the plug completely to allow any residual oil to drain out. Please note, the amount drained may not correspond to the total, as some oil may remain in the circuit. Caution: before removing the screws, ensure a suitable support is in place, wooden block or pallet truck, to prevent the control unit from falling. Remove the control unit's fixing screws. Two operators then lift and remove the cover of the control unit's tank. 4. Checking the filters. Place the control unit cover on a stable, comfortable surface. Inspect the filters. If they are dirty or blocked, clean or replace them. 5. Cleaning the tank. Clean the inside of the tank with clean, non-abrasive cloths. Remove any residue and deposits and dry thoroughly to prevent residual moisture. Refilling the hydraulic oil. 1. Reinstalling the control unit. Refit the power unit and/or the tank cover. Reconnect the power unit's connecting hose. Tighten the fixing screws. Refit the drain plug. Reconnect the control unit's electrical connections. Two, refilling. Caution: consult the machine manual to identify the type and quantity of oil required. Use a clean funnel to prevent contamination. This operation is best carried out by two people. The first person holds the funnel whilst the second pours the oil. Pour the oil slowly and periodically check the level using the level indicator on the control unit. 3. Preliminary checks. Refit the filler cap. Visually check that there are no leaks on pipes and fittings. Check the oil level and top it up if necessary. 4. Disposal of used oil. Collect the used oil in suitable containers. Caution: dispose of the oil at an authorized collection point in accordance with local regulations. 5. Blooding. Reconnect the machine to the main supply. Check that the hydraulic pump on the control unit is rotating correctly. If the rotation is incorrect, reverse 2 phases of the power supply. Close the press plates using the 2-hand controls on the control panel, applying a pressure of at least 50 bar. Check that all cylinders are fully extended. Use the bleed screws on the cylinders to remove any air that may have formed in the circuit. Repeat the process if necessary. 6. Removal of safety devices. Remove the full protection devices from the moving platform. 7. Functional test. Perform a complete opening and closing cycle. Check that the press is working correctly and that there are no faults. 8. Reset oil maintenance alarm. From the maintenance page on the touchscreen operator panel, reset the alarm. Replace hydraulic oil, alarm 13.